Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. So today I brought you this hair tutorial. So if you're interested in knowing how I got my hair looking this beautiful, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you do find my videos interesting, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial. So let's get into the tutorial for this look right now. To begin this hairstyle, you need your tail comb to part your hair. You need your 1 pack of Mali hair, and you need another smaller Mali hair to do the style I'm about to do. I just thought of it and I want to put it into existence to see if it's going to work. So yeah, and maybe you need your crochet needle, some bobby pins, and you'll see any other thing I'm going to use as we proceed. So I went ahead to remove part of the hair here and plaited this flat twist going down towards my ear, and I did same on the other side because I want to crochet some of this hair on that flat twist that I made. So very quickly, so I ended up using like so, one on this side, one on the other side, then I took another half and just filled it in. So this is how the hair looks right now after crocheting it. The other side. The whole idea of this is for those who don't have thick hair, and if you have these scanty edges and you really want to achieve the style I'm about to do, this is an idea of what you should do. Blend it with your hair, and then I'll start from this side. Make sure I apply some gel. Then I twist it. This time I want it to really smoothen out. Like so. And then I reach here and stop. I'm going to open it like this so I can end the flat twist here. I'm going to use this rubber band and secure it. Like so. I'll go ahead and brush my edges to lay flat. So now I'll come here too and just try to twist it very loosely. I'm just trying to pin it to fit my face. Making sure I pin this one down here so it doesn't unravel. You see, nice and secure. I'll grab another pin and try to secure the front part really well here. Just trying to arrange it. This part here, I'm going to tuck it inside here and pin it down. Yeah, so I think I like the way it's looking right now. I'm going to go ahead to finish the back. I'm just going to grab my Mali hair. To tell you the truth, I didn't know what I was going to do on my hair. I just tried to figure out and then I came out with this final look. So bear with me if I didn't explain well in the tutorial because I didn't know what I wanted from the beginning. So here is the front, the side and the back.